Welcome to our YouTube video tutorial, where we'll be exploring the awesome new ClimbPro 2.0 feature on Garmin's Edge 540 and 840. Get ready to take your cycling to the next level with helpful insights and support designed specifically for climbs. Let's get started. If you are following a course or using the navigation features to route to a location, ClimbPro is considered to be tethered to that path. If you are not navigating, this is considered to be a free climb detection. The Edge passes your direction of travel to a predictive engine that looks up the road for climbs meeting your specified climb settings. If a climb is detected, the Edge will alert you and track your progress along the climb. In free mode, ClimbPro requires the latest version of Garmin cycling maps and ClimbPro maps to be enabled. Both map versions must match for the same region to trigger ClimbPro during a free ride. How do I verify the ClimbPro maps are enabled? 1. Select the menu. 2. Select activity profiles. 3. Select a profile. 4. Select navigation. 5. Select map. 6. Select map information. 7. Scroll down to view the list of ClimbPro maps enabled. How do I activate and control ClimbPro on my device? The climb mode and climb detection settings can be adjusted from the climb's option pages, which can be accessed from the activity profile. Now, with the simultaneous update on the 540 and 840 models, ClimbPro can recalculate the climbing information from the turnaround point to the summit and provide it to you in real time. Enjoy your rides and have a great time exploring with ClimbPro 2.0 on your Garmin Edge.